Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok videos. Open up the TikTok application, tap on your profile picture and tap on this plus icon. Now simply select any video like this and then tap on this next here. Tap on next again. Now tap on this more option. It should show here add link option. If it's not showing like me, so you can enable it from settings. Close this and open again TikTok and tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go for settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll down and tap on this report a problem. Scroll down again, tap on this chat with us. Here tap on this account and profile and tap on this editing profile. Now here you will see some options, but you have to tap on this other option, and here at the bottom side you will see this. Tap on this no and tap on this need more help. And here you have to write something like this: hello TikTok team, I want to enable the future to add link in my TikTok videos. Help me to fix this issue as fast as possible. Thank you and waiting for your response, and simply tap on send. After submitting, it will show you sport ticket is open and you will get reply from TikTok team and it will help you to enable your issue. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.